if you're new here, my name is Amy. So today I want to take you guys along on a reset of our home. The last week things have gotten really chaotic since my husband was away for a few days on a work trip. So I am seriously behind on laundry. I want to do a lot of things in the kitchen, like the fridge, and the microwave is looking crazy. Usually with the laundry, I like to do a load a day, but yeah, when my husband was gone, I had a huge migraine and that kind of put me out and it put me really behind. So, and also being about 26 weeks pregnant with baby number 3, I am pretty fatigued right now, but I have a lot of things that I want to do. I am in the season of nesting, it feels like. Yes, baby? You see it? Okay. I have my to-do list on my phone, and there are a lot of things I also want to do in the master bedroom because my daughters went into our closet where we keep our books and just exploded everything. So a lot of reorganizing to do. Let's see what we can get done. I'm not going to put a lot of pressure on myself to get all of the things done because being as pregnant as I am, I can only do so much in a day. Oh, no, don't touch the doggy bowl, baby. That's yucky. And you know what, this list might take me a couple days, but at least if I get a majority of it done, it's going to feel really, really good. So let's get resetting this house together. So the fridge is the thing that I really didn't want to do, and unfortunately I bought groceries yesterday. I knew I had to get the fridge cleaned up, and unfortunately I have to take everything out because if I let it go farther than a couple weeks, it's gonna get to the point where I don't want to do it at all. So I am kicking myself for doing this after I bought the groceries, but it is what it is. Now the bottom portion is always the most difficult to get through because, well, being this pregnant, you just have to get down in there and get it done. But the reason I love going through this part of the fridge is that I can kind of go through, see what's about to go bad, and stuck it in the freezer. And anything that really needs to be used, I can think, make a mental note to use it. And it's been really helpful to not let the food go bad. So like these oranges, I forgot about these oranges were at the bottom of our fridge. And now that I'm taking them out, I'm like, oh, we can use these this week and I don't have to buy more fruit. Yeah, these blueberries are just on the edge, but see, like this one's bad, but the rest of them can go in the freezer for smoothies. so it is the next day now, and the only thing I think I'm gonna get to on my list is replacing bedding. And the other thing that I really wanted to do is just get to this whole pile on this couch, which is just putting away all the laundry. So it has actually been 2 days since I last filmed, and this is going to be, we're just closing it out today. I have a few things left on my list to get done that I really want to get done, but we are not getting the whole list done today. My daughter's birthday is today. We celebrated on Saturday, so we're just taking a little bit of a hiatus for a couple of days. And in order for me to feel like I kind of won the day, so to speak, is I'm just gonna make the bed. I'm gonna clear this monstrosity of a couch and just put away all the laundry and vacuum the master bedroom. And then we will just pick up on the next reset. My daughter wants to clean and talk to the camera very badly. Let me just check on my to-do list because I think, let's see what we've gotten done so far. So I did replace the bedding. Let's see. I did wash the towels and we tidied the living room, we vacuumed the downstairs. We did clean the fridge. I didn't get to the whole fridge. I didn't get to the door part of it, but you know what? That's okay. I'll just pick it up next week and just do the door part of it next week. Doing the fridge every other week has been really helpful. Yeah, so the other thing, what I have on my list to sort of reset the home is put away all books in our master closet, clean our master bathroom, put away laundry, vacuum the master bedroom, organize my girls' closets, and wash the windows downstairs. But we are not doing all of that today. We're just gonna stay in the master bedroom today, and we're gonna make the bed, clear that couch, and vacuum, and then we're just gonna call it a day. Because being this pregnant requires a lot of grace. And let's start with making your bed. Totally missed. I don't know what it is about a made bed, but it just makes the whole room feel a lot less chaotic. Now my little helpers are gonna come help me take all the clothes that are in the hamper and on the couch and just transfer it to the bed. They love feeling like they're a part of it. They feel like they're contributing, and it helps mom out a lot.
No,
that is where I'm going to end this video. I am very, very tired, but we got through the laundry. I shoved some of it back into the closet because I'm probably gonna go put it away later this evening, but it is time to go celebrate my daughter's birthday, have some cookies, have some cake, and just take it easy for the rest of the day. And we will pick it up in the next reset in the next video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this encouraged you. I hope this gave you some motivation to take care of your own home and to give yourself grace in doing it. It doesn't need to be done in one day. We are focusing on progress, not perfection. And with that, I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.